Hello everyone, this is Anusha from ZTechno, and today we are going to talk about Workplace PP Inventory Management, which is one among ServiceNow Safety Workplace applications.
The Workplace Personal Protective Equipment Management helps organizations manage and monitor their PPE needs to ensure the physical safety of their workforce. With the role of PPE admin, we can also view the dashboard, which provides a comprehensive view of inventory and can also have historical data how equipment levels have changed with time. Moreover, these are live updates which are very accurate. Now we start this demo of PPE inventory overview dashboard by logging in as PPE admin. Managing PPE across the organization is done by PPE stocks, stockrooms by type, consumables distributed by user, shown who is requesting the PPE, consumables in stock by location, filters out by location is also shown. Here the Dallas, Texas Central Warehouse is short of goggles. Now let us add PPE for Dallas, Texas Central Warehouse by clicking on Add Consumable Stocks. To add PPE for Dallas, Texas Central Warehouse, select the model, goggles, select the stockroom location, Dallas, Texas Central Warehouse, select the quantity as well as 6,000. On one submitting, Dallas, Texas Central Warehouse is now full of goggles, which is updated in the PPE inventory overview. PPE admin can also assign consumables. On clicking on Assign Consumables, select the model as N95 mask. Select the issuing stockroom location as New York and select the Assign to as Abel Theater. And the quantity of N95 mask would be 5,000. On submitting this request, we can see the stockroom does not have enough stock to meet the requested quantity amount in the stock, because this particular stockroom contains only 100 N95 masks. Now we shall order only 100 N95 masks from New York for Abel Theater. On update, we can see that the dashboard is updated for particular user Abel Theater. We can also have stock rules for particular location. As we open this record, in this particular location reaches this threshold, 1000 N95 masks is being ordered by following its own workflow. As an end user, we can also order personal protective equipments through Service Catalog Personal Protective Equipments. Here has shown we have 3 models: gloves, goggles and mask. Now let us order for goggles. As mentioned here, 10 goggles has been ordered on clicking on submit. We can also add models to the catalog by clicking on Add Model module. Here we shall add a new model named Sanitizer with the manufacturer as Acer. On submitting this, we can see this sanitizer module in the all modules of PPE inventory management. In this way, PPE inventory management application helps organizations to maintain their PPE and helps employees to get back to their workplace with all required personal protective equipment.
During a detailed demo, please reach out us to the following links. Thank you.